Welcome to the VA Home Loan Guarantee Buyer's Guide. Since its creation in 1944, this program has helped generations of veterans and service members achieve the dream of homeownership. Today, we will explore how this earned benefit works and provide a clear roadmap for your journey to owning a home. Why choose a VA-backed loan? The advantages are unmatched in the mortgage industry. In nearly 90% of cases, you can buy a home with no down payment. Additionally, there is no requirement for private mortgage insurance, which can save you hundreds of dollars every month. You also benefit from competitive interest rates and limited closing costs, which can often be negotiated for the seller to pay. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive guide to the VA home loan process. We will cover how to verify your eligibility, the steps to obtain your certificate of eligibility, and a detailed walkthrough of every phase, from your initial financial review to the day you move into your new home. The journey begins with a hard look at your finances. Before you shop, review your credit profile, income, and monthly expenses. It is vital to decide how much you're comfortable spending on a mortgage each month and to ensure you've factored in closing costs, which are generally not financed into your purchase loan. The certificate of eligibility is your first essential document. It proves to your lender that you qualify for this home loan benefit. You can request it online at the va.gov, by mail, or often your lender can obtain it for you instantly through the VA's internal system. Most veterans will need to provide their DD-214 as proof of service. You don't get your loan from the VA. You go through a private lender like a bank, a credit union, or a mortgage company. Since lenders offer different rates and fees, we strongly recommend shopping around. Simultaneously, choose a real estate agent you trust to represent your interests. Be sure to read all agreements carefully before signing. Once you find a home in your price range, your agent will help you sign a purchase agreement. Crucially, this contract must include the VA escape clause. This clause protects you by allowing you to void the contract without penalty or loss of earnest money if the home's appraised value comes in lower than the purchase price. After the offer is accepted, two evaluations occur. First, the VA requires an appraisal to ensure the home meets minimum property requirements for safety and to determine its fair market value. Second, the VA highly recommends a separate home inspection. While the appraisal checks for basic standards, an inspection provides a more thorough look at the home's systems and potential defects. Before the big day, your lender must provide a closing disclosure, at least 3 business days in advance. Review this carefully for your final loan terms and costs. At the closing, held at a title company or attorney's office, you'll sign the final documents. Once the paperwork is complete, the home is yours. Let's clarify one major point. VA loan limits. Since 2020, if you have full entitlement, meaning you've never used this benefit or fully restored it, there is no loan limit. You can buy a home at any price the lender approves for 0 down, as long as the home appraises for that price. County loan limits only apply if you have partial entitlement. This happens if you're keeping a previously VA-backed home as a rental and want to buy a second home using your remaining benefit. In that specific case, the VA uses county limits to calculate how much they can guarantee without a down payment on your new property. You have support throughout this whole process. You can call the VA Loan Guarantee Service at 877-827-3702. You can also access digital toolkits and mortgage calculations through va.gov and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So, to recap, start by reviewing your finances and securing your COE. Work with a specialized lender and agent. Ensure the VA escape clause is in your contract and never skip the home inspection. Remember, for most of you, there is no cap on the value the VA will back with no money down. You've earned this benefit through your service. So whether you're a first-time buyer or you're looking to use your entitlement again, the VA home loan is a powerful tool for your future. Thank you for your service and good luck in your new home.